have you been up to?
I've been riding on a daydream.
Hey YouTube, thanks for checking out RV Daydream. We're going to be cleaning up the RV today. Not a lot of excitement, but Heidi's already cleaned out a lot of the inside, almost to the point where it's done. There's just a couple of final touches we need to do in there. We pretty much took everything out. We do have to bring the stovetop, the outdoor stovetop, and put that back in the RV. But I had to go run and get gas for the pressure washer because the tires are pretty muddy from that fiasco that we had going on. Plus, when we brought it home, it was muddy out there. This was the only part that had gravel for the time being. So we're going to try to figure out how we want to wash this. I don't normally use the pressure washer. However, I'm thinking that it might be a good idea to just stand back a ways and let the pressure washer adjust the distance to where it might take off some of this heavier dirt. But we do have a brush that we always use. We've always used the brush on it. I've never used the pressure washer on it, I don't think. Maybe when I first got it. No, I don't even know if I used it then.
Purple Power.
I did use Purple Power on it, which that's a mistake. Don't ever use Purple Power at full strength. You can use Purple Power, but not full strength. It'll take off the paint.
Don't use it on a new one.
Yeah, don't use it on a new one. You don't need to. But anyways, that's where we're kind of at.
We've given Terry the last good cleaning. See the last time he gets on the roof. Cleans up real good for the next owner. I can only imagine if I was up there with the pressure washer myself. And look how close he is to the roof with that frickin' pressure washer. I can hear it now. Jesus Christ! You're gonna blow a hole in it. But it's alright for him to do it. He acts like he's pressure washing it for us to go on a trip or something. Get it up there and get it clean and move on. We got pressure washer marks up there now. I could hear him screaming at me right now.
Heidi's been doing the soaping, and I just basically been doing the rinsing. And it's definitely coming clean. Boy, was it dirty. It was really dirty. There's some stuff on here. It was so dirty I couldn't believe it. And then back here, these black streaks, that's always a challenge. So we have to use a little Purple Power and then quickly rinse it so it doesn't like dry or anything weird. The stuff, as we use it in full strength, it'll go right through the paint if we don't, let it. If we just kept on rubbing it in one spot. But there's a little bit of a shine to the RV, not a crazy shine, not like when we wax the crap out of it, but especially down here, it looks really dark, so we might have to wax some of the bottom. I don't know yet.
You might.
Yeah, Heidi said she will. She has to.
I think I heard you
might have to wax.
No, I'm sorry. You definitely heard wrong. I was clearly saying
say
Heidi's gonna have to wax
Put
it.
some silicone on it, shine it up.
Yeah. Yeah,
Somebody else worry about it. Does
roof-
it look pretty good?
yeah.
It's rinsed off.
Yeah, the roof looks real good too. I was surprised how good it looked. It's held up well. I mean, it's been 5 years. Is that what we said?
Yeah.
5 years for the roof. You know, it's 5 years old and it looks good. I mean, it's darker than what it used to be, but it looks good up there. But yeah, this will be our cleaning process, and then we'll slide this baby out to the road, or I don't know. I might be able to put it in the yard if it's. You know what? I'm gonna go look at that since Heidi's playing.
Oh yeah, I'm playing.
She's playing. She ain't doing nothing. Oh, you guys probably say, man, every time I watch you guys, she's working and you're filming. Well, she don't rarely. I'd tell her to pick up the camera or that I was getting on the roof, and I wish I had a shot of that, and she got the camera and did it. So I'm thinking about putting the RV out here in the yard at an angle, which would put it right about here, this is kind of soft through here. Yeah, this is real soft through here, actually. I wanted to put it at an angle so people could see it coming down the road. I guess I could go ahead and just put it all the way up here. I mean, it would. Oh yeah, this is much more firm here. Maybe we'll do that. Okay, so maybe I'll be parking the RV crooked here. And man, I don't even know how to do that, because if I put it in, somebody won't be able to. Yeah, this will be tricky. It'll be a tricky situation. We'll have to figure that one out, because we were thinking about just putting it down here in the turnaround where Son's van at, but I think the tires, let me look here. Yeah, see, the tires, if they would be in the way. Even if I put it at an angle, it would be in the way. So forget that. Yeah, I'm thinking it's going up in the yard there. I think somebody had come up with a better way to wash on the underside of an awning without getting wet, but it doesn't work. So it's kind of clean, not completely. Well, let me rephrase that. It's definitely clean. The awning, though, boy, was it stained. You know, we scrub it, but anyways, it's taken care of. I don't know if you guys can see up there. That's what it looks like now. And we got to let all this dry. And as far as parking it, Heidi said, okay, let me put it back to different. Let me tell you another story. It's going to be a short one, though. All the years that I've sold mowers out of the yard and sold cars out of the yard, everything sells the best if it's at this kind of an angle, you know, so the front end facing the road, and the same here. Same with mowers, everything else I put out there. We experimented. Sometimes we faced them the other way for the traffic coming through that light to see it. And anyways, they always sell if they are pointed this way. I'm not sure why, but they just are. I think it's the way people see them when they're in magazines, and as they're driving down the road, it kind of kicks in their head, hey, there's something for sale. I don't know. But we're not going to be able to do this with the RV. So what we're going to do is put it at an angle where the van's setting, and just putting those two tires on the corner of the turnaround here. It should fit. It'll be facing the wrong way, but it's going to keep it out of the way. And I keep on telling Heidi, I said, well, if I put it over here at all, unless it's out past that tree, when we get our new RV, we won't be able to, you know, pull in. We won't be able to swing it. And she said, this RV will be gone by then. She plans on it selling within a week, which the amount of interest that we have had in it, you know, locally even, I can imagine. So we'll go ahead. We're going to get this positioned where it needs to be. We're going to do some final touches inside, and as far as this video is concerned, that's it. Stay tuned for the next video, though, that I put up if you're interested, and we'll do a complete walkthrough, talking about the RV, all the stuff that's been done to it, and you know, it's a for sale video. I'll be talking about the features and all the niceties, and basically give you guys a price and all that. So stay tuned for the next video. Okay guys, that's it. It's moved into its spot, and this should do good. We get enough exposure with traffic here that this should be fine. Yeah, I can't believe it's all ready to go. It's going to be odd, I'll tell you. It's going to be odd having a new one. It's going to be odd having this one go away. So it's all finished. It's all ready to split out the door here. We're just going to wait until the new one comes, and hopefully this one will be gone by then. Don't know that for sure, but could be. Oh, that's not good. We're running on battery out here and this light's on. Even the stereo being on might be an issue. I'll have to do something about that. So yeah, this is all finished. So hopefully I get this video posted and the for sale video posted before the thing actually gets sold. And as always guys, we hope to see you out there. Bye.